Abby. Your AI therapist is a game changer in the world of digital therapy. If you're looking for a new way to access mental health support, Abby just might be the solution you've been waiting for. Stick around as I walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about Abby, your AI therapist, and how it stands out in this rapidly growing market of AI-powered therapy solutions. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. First off, Abby is a revolutionary tool that uses AI to provide personalized mental health support. It's designed to offer conversational therapy that feels just like talking to a real therapist. While it's not meant to replace licensed therapists, Abby's ability to guide you through tough emotions, offer relaxation exercises, and even help you with stress management is truly impressive. One of the most striking things about Abby is how adaptable it is. It can tailor responses based on your emotions and mood, adjusting the conversation accordingly to provide more accurate support. Whether you're feeling stressed, anxious, or down, Abby has built-in frameworks to engage with you in a way that feels real. And it's constantly learning from interactions to become even better over time. Another key feature is its accessibility. Abby is available 24/7, making it perfect for those who need a listening ear at any time of the day or night. You no longer have to wait for a therapist's office hours or deal with the hassle of booking appointments. Abby is right there when you need it most. Now let's talk privacy. With mental health being such a personal and sensitive topic, Abby takes your confidentiality seriously. Your conversations are private, and Abby doesn't store personal information. This allows you to feel secure in having honest discussions without worrying about data being mishandled. Abby's AI also integrates well with your daily routine. It can send reminders, offer coping strategies when stress levels rise, and even track your progress over time. The more you interact, the better it becomes at providing tailored suggestions and support, creating a personalized journey that aligns with your mental health goals. For anyone wondering if this software is actually effective, it's worth mentioning that Abby has been developed with input from experienced therapists and mental health experts. While it's not a replacement for professional therapy, many users have reported feeling more understood and supported after using Abby. Plus, it's ideal for those who may be hesitant to talk to a human therapist, but still want to work on their mental well-being. And the best part? You can try Abby for completely free using the link in the description below. So if you're curious to explore how this AI therapist can fit into your mental health routine, you can give it a shot without any risk. Before I finish, I want to share that, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my recommended AI software options in the description below. These are tools that I believe offer the best value, especially for mental health and personal growth. So if you're ready to take the next step in prioritizing your well-being, Abby might just be what you're looking for. Don't forget to check out the free trial link below and dive into this next generation therapy experience.